let me show you all game turbo settings that we have available on Redmi A7 Pro. So after opening the game turbo panel, over here we have a simple boost option that allows you to clear memory automatically, free up storage space, and we can also monitor performance. So if I tap on boost over here, there we go, this is how it looks like. We can also switch the performance mode from balanced to performance. There we go. Besides that, here we have the performance settings where we can find the network speed boost option, and in here we can toggle Wi-Fi optimization. Then we also have the clear memory option. We have a voice changer. We have a timer, the indie mode. We can also easily take a screenshot or record our gameplay. And if I tap on more, I can also find settings. We have casting. We can switch SIM cards if you have 2 SIM cards, for example, and if you use mobile data, then of course this might be helpful. We have the Wi-Fi option, so we can easily disconnect from Wi-Fi if needed. We have the brightness and the on-screen commentary, I believe so. So that is pretty much all that we have in here. Leave a like and subscribe.